probably seen the ads everywhere. Dramatic before and after photos. Bold claims of 90-day hair regrowth, and promises that a simple serum called Alpha Infuse can block DHT, repair damaged follicles, and bring thinning hair back to life using something they call microinfusion technology. And I wanted to cut through the noise and see what's real and what's just marketing. So in this video, I take a close look at everything behind Alpha Infuse Hair Regrowth, from the science claims to the customer feedback. And what I found raises some serious questions. Because when you actually look for evidence behind this so-called microinfusion system, there's no medical explanation, no clinical studies, and no documentation showing it does anything different from basic cosmetic scalp serums that simply moisturize the skin rather than regrow hair. On top of that, many of the glowing reviews floating around online trace back to copied templates, generic stock profiles, and AI-generated ad campaigns. While several of the dramatic before and after photos appear to be reused from unrelated hair products, which is always a red flag. The product itself is pricey for what seems like a basic dropshipping serum with common ingredients. And there's no published proof that its formula can actually reduce DHT levels or revive dormant follicles the way proven treatments like minoxidil or prescription-based solutions can. I went through all the steps recommended by the company exactly as instructed and tracked the outcomes over time. And the results were underwhelming, with no meaningful changes beyond normal scalp hydration that you could get from nearly any hair oil or serum. Some buyers also report customer service issues, unexpected charges, and difficulty getting refunds, which only adds to the concern. So while Alpha Infuse is beautifully marketed and wrapped in scientific-sounding language, there's currently no solid medical evidence that it delivers what it promises. And if a serum truly reversed hair loss in 90 days, it wouldn't be hidden behind flashy ads. It would be openly recognized by dermatologists worldwide.